Hi everybody, welcome back to My Family Taxi, and I'm sitting in my beautiful garden today, which wasn't so beautiful about 3 years ago. We moved into this house. This is our fourth year, and we did a bit of extension in the house, and after all the housework, the garden became such a mess, and the kids couldn't come out and we couldn't come out do anything even in a summer day, and we always ended up going to the park instead of coming to the back garden. And one of our friends gave a gentleman's number, and he did their garden, which was so good. And I rang him, and he came and looked at the garden, and he said he'd definitely do it for me, and which transformed my messy garden into this beautiful garden. In this video, you're going to see the complete transformation of this garden, and every single piece of information is mentioned in the description area. And if you are a DIY person, you can definitely try it as well. When we were planning to do the garden, we also wanted something extra here, and we asked the gentleman. He said he'd definitely do it. We have beautiful pudding green here. Since my two boys play golf, so we said we'll just do just 2 cups. It's purely optional. If you like golf, you can do it as well. Watch till the end of the video, and at the end I've mentioned few add-ons which will definitely benefit your garden, and hope you enjoy this video.
Hi guys, the stone just arrived. You can see this is the one they are going to use it. See, for our garden we use 6 tons of this stone. See it? Guys, you can see the progress now. Okay, we started doing insulation of artificial grass, and you can see a bit of putting green. I don't want it all the place. I just want 2 cups. I know that's what we decided. So we're just going to go with 2 cups now. Finally, okay, see, the cup is going inside now. You can see it. We're just doing a partly putting green. It's not a full putting green, just it's artificial grass. So maintenance free. That's all we need. I don't know. See, we have 2 cups. That's more than enough for us. You can see it. Hi guys. Now you can see it's a gluing part now. See, he's gluing it now. So most of the work is done. The weather is good today. We'll see. And here you can see, I just bought this from Woodies. It's a white marble stones, and you can get it in Woodies. Like we're just trying to fill this gap here. See, and that's a decorative stone, white marble from Woodies. I got it from Woodies. You can see that there. So we're almost there. The work will be completed today.
For artificial grass for our garden, we left our apple tree at the pear tree at the end just to give a natural effect. So it goes very well with the artificial grass and the natural trees. It's purely optional if you want to leave your plants or trees at the end, or if you want to go completely artificial grass as well. Very useful thing which I did in my garden. It's a clothes liner. It's not permanent all the time. I'm just going to put it on the hook here, and you can dry the clothes and you can take it off when it's not needed. That's the best part of it. So it's not stopping your kids from playing. At the same time, you can dry your clothes as well. I'm going to show you the add-ons which I did for my kids. Just the pudding green, we're otherwise putting there at the moment. Hey! And one more thing I did for my kids is the basketball net. It's perfectly fine for any size garden, and the kids will have great time, and it does not take any space. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please subscribe to My Family Taxi for more episodes. Bye.